Hi everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about a new series on my channel which involves vintage crochet. And I have something super duper special today, which I am super shocked that I found, and it's intact and it is not opened. So excited. So I'm going to be doing this feature now on Thursdays. Throwback Thursday. Throwback to the day of yore for crochet. Yay! But I just find vintage crochet very interesting, especially to see how crochet has evolved and changed. So there's some good stuff and there's some not so good stuff about vintage crochet, but it's all fun. It's all discovery. And a lot of times the vintage crochet stuff you can find at a very cheap price. So I'm stretching my craft dollar. So if you're new here, that's pretty much what this whole channel is about. Stretching your craft dollar to be affordably crafty. And I do hauls, DIYs, crochet projects, unboxings. I do some subscription box unboxings, some walkthroughs, and just dabble in a bunch of areas of the craft universe. So, like, subscribe, and share if you're so inclined. To my new subscribers, hi. Thanks for coming along on this journey. And today I have an intact vintage craft kit. Vintage crochet kit. Oh my god, I haven't even opened this yet. Look at this awesomeness. Quick crochet skimps. Start it today, wear it tomorrow. Honestly, it's really late at night right now. I'm not going to be wearing it tomorrow. But hopefully I'll be able to get some of this done by Thursday, because I'm filming on the weekend. Yeah. So I guess you can make either of these patterns. So the top one has a square thing, and the bottom one has this jazz, so I don't know which one I want to make. I'll have to decide. So let's open this puppy up. So this one calls for an I size 5.5 millimeter crochet hook for a small, and a size J 6 millimeter for a medium. Wonder if I use a bigger hook if it would make the size go up, because I definitely probably am not a medium. I'm a little bit big on top. Well, more than a little bit, whatever. Maybe I'll try using a 6.5 or a 7. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. Because it says style, the small is 8 to 10 and the medium is 12 to 14. Since this is something that I would most likely wear over a shirt, because I'm not going to be wearing this granny square stuff without a shirt underneath. Yeah. So this says I need sweater measurements. I don't know, I might be able to get away with a medium. Not sure. Okay, let's see what kind of yarn we have here. So there's 3 skeins of yarn. Randomly, the middle one doesn't have a band on it. I'm not sure why, because this is sealed. Weird. So, ooh, this is... This is actually interesting. So this is Bernat Dundee. It's like a pretty light blue color. And it is 50-gram ball. Ooh, 90% Shetland wool with 10% pure mohair. Direct from Scotland. Well, that's kind of cool. And there is... This is the color Gossamer Blue. Gossamer Blue. The authentic Highlands texture. Only the Scots can produce so perfectly. This yarn is Yarn is imported by Bernat from Scotland. Therefore, it's wise to buy enough at one time to complete your garment. Well, we're just stuck with this because this is from like the 60s and I got this. So yeah, this is 50 grams and this is Gossamer Blue. It does have like this like little things coming off the, what is it, like floof? I don't know. That's probably the mohair. So that's the first one. Then I gotta assume this is the same stuff because it looks the same. But it's in this nice mustard color. So let's call this mustard since there's no belly band. And then, ooh, the one I like the best, I'll be honest with you. Ooh. This is the same stuff in the color olive. So I do like green. So yeah, olive. So let's see how these look together. Oh, they look kind of nice. So, which one do you think I should make? Let me know in the comments down below if I should make, you think I should make the square front one with this back, or if I should make the one that has a V in the front and that's the back of it. Well, this person's wearing it backwards, but should I make A or B? Which one do you guys think? I don't know. I'm kind of torn. I don't know. It doesn't have a name on it, but it was made in Uxbridge, Mass, which is cool. Printed in the U.S. Oh, it's on the back side of this. Whole lot of nothing. So, ooh, it's number 16. Alright. Let me look at these instructions real quick. So, has anybody ever found a sealed vintage crochet kit before? Because first time I've seen one. Let's see. Double crochet. Steam lightly. Why would you steam lightly? It's wool. I wouldn't be doing that personally. I know I'd felt it. There's no way I'm so accident prone I would felt the heck out of that wool. So my plan is if this gets made and turns into a complete disaster, these are wool. So guess what these can do? Go in my dye pot. Yeah. So that's the other reason that I was excited about this, is because even if this doesn't work out, well, that's really funny. So look behind me. Mustard wool, green wool. Mustard, green. So clearly I enjoy this colorway. See, oh, that's upside down. Try that again. Very similar. That is funny. I got this kit from the same place that I got these big honkin' things. Peter Patchy's Yarns in Central Falls, Rhode Island. I will link that down below too, my haul video and my walkthrough. There was some questions about how to order. Peter is a second generation owner and he was very, very helpful when I went there. Now this is not sponsored by him, this is my own opinion. And I spent my own money on these lovely yarns. And this lovely kit. But he has a email club. I highly suggest you sign up for that. He sends out emails with deals, and basically the way you're going to order if you don't live near Central Falls, Rhode Island, is you're going to call Peter on the phone. He was super helpful, and he's got a breadth of knowledge of what is in his mill store. So yeah, I really suggest them. I like that it's a local business, and it's a family-run business, and it's second-generation family-run. So, yeah, I'm going to try and get working on this. Not going to try. I'm going to get working on this quick crochet skimps. But if you could let me know, again, in the comments down below, if you think I should make A or B. All right, let me know. See everybody later. Bye.